Sign up at https://restat.io/signup. After sign up, go the user menu and then team to add your team members. Adding team member is an easy process through email invitation, and you can track the invite acceptance. The next step is to add your Upwork and LinkedIn profiles, which will be used to send proposals and connections. Simply go to Profiles, click on Add Relevant Profile, and fill in details to save a profile. Just make sure to add all of your profiles which you want to use while sending proposals and connections. Once these are done, let's add our past projects, case studies, and templates, which would be helpful in generating proposals on Upwork. This step is important as it will be automating our proposal writing on Upwork and save lots of time. Go to Portfolio and click on Add Project. Provide project information and URLs to save the project details. You can also add case studies and profile links to your GitHub, Behance, Dribbble, or LinkedIn. All of these will be added to your proposal by replacing placeholder variables in the template. Most importantly, don't forget to add relevant tags to all of these portfolio items so that you can search them easily. Now, let's add a proposal template by clicking Add Template. Add placeholders at appropriate places so that these can be replaced with your choice of portfolio items. Also, add respective tags to your templates. Cool, now let's download and log in Chrome extension by going to Settings. Go to Upwork's proposal writing page, click on Restat logo at the left side to open Slide in panel. It will suggest you relevant tags based on the job details. Select or search relevant tags to see proposal templates. Click on Checkbox and next to go to the next step. Select or search relevant tags to find your projects, case studies and links, and click on Next to preview your proposal. All placeholders in the template will be replaced with your selected ones so that your proposal looks completely customized and handwritten based on the job requirements and your past experience. Click on Done to populate your proposal into the cover letter field on Upwork and tweak it as needed. Once satisfied, click on Submit. On the proposal page, see new options at the bottom right side. Click on Sync Proposal to add all details about the job, client and proposal you have just submitted to Restat so that it can start building the foundation of analysis. Once synced, everything will be available under Deals in the web application. On getting a response on the proposal, please click on Sync Lead, and similarly sync Contract on getting an offer from the client. These actions will UDPate statuses of your deal in the Restat web application and provide you statistics on the dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard and see important analysis there. Keep repeating the process on Upwork and similarly on LinkedIn to have all the data available in Restat, and then you can make business decisions on top of it to scale and grow your business. Lastly, we have integrations available for HubSpot and ClickUp so that you don't have to create deals manually in your favorite CRMs. Give them a try.